Okay, hello everyone. Last classes we discussed about 5.2 and some 5.2 related questions also, and today we'll discuss about 5.3 of the same chapter AP. Now today I will discuss about how to find the sum of all the numbers of the AP. For example, here is a one AP. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 20 terms. Here what there here two conditions are there. You have to remember again. And before this, you have to recall whatever we discussed in the last classes. Okay, 5.1, 5.2. Okay, with the help of 5.2, 5.2, then only is possible to understand 5.3. If you don't remember 5.2, it's highly impossible. Okay, and how to find out the n term, n term, d term, a term. You have to remember all the things. Now we'll continue. Here two cases are there. Here in the first AP, they are given one AP like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 20 terms. In the first, what they are saying, in this sequence AP, in this AP, how many terms are there? 20 terms are there. 20 number ಇದಾವಲ್ಲಿ. They are given in a question. In second one, 3, 6, 9, so on up to 99. Here 3 to 99, we know the AP, but we don't know in second one how many numbers are there. In first one, they are given in a question how many numbers are there. 20 terms are there. Okay, now my question is, now what we are discussing is, we have to find the sum of all the numbers in the AP. For example, see here, to we people, what we do, finding the sum means without the formula we cannot find suddenly, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on up to 20 terms means you go on write 20 terms. We can add, we can add, but it will take some time. What we can add by writing 20 terms, we can add 20 terms, but it will take some time. In AP, they are given one formula. They are given one formula, that is SN. SN means sum, finding the sum of all the terms. Sn equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d. Okay, here what we have, n means how many terms are there in the AP. N, S20, just replace by n by 20. N, a value is there 2, and n how many are there? N equals to 20. D how much is there? 2 value. Okay, just you substitute, you will get the answer. Just I'll substitute the values. Yes, 20 I am finding. Okay, now we are discussing how to find the sum of all the terms up to 20 terms in this AP. N equals to 20. They are given 20 terms are there in the AP. 2 into a equals to how much? A equals to 2 plus n equals to how many are there? 20 minus 1. Okay, into d equals to 2. Difference is how much here? 2. Then 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus this is how much? 19. 19 remains here. 19 twos are 38. This is equals to 38 plus 4, 42. 42 into 10, 420. This 420 is the, this 420 is the sum of all the 20 terms in this AP. Okay, this way we can easily find out sum of all the 20 terms in the AP. Okay, next we will go to one more example. Here the AP 3, 6, 9, so on up to 99. Here you just observe here, they are given last an term, but they are n term is there, but we don't know how many terms are there in the AP. Here 3, 6, 9, so on up to 99 is the one AP. They are given AP. Okay, is a AP, but they are not given how many number of terms are there. Is possible or not possible to find the sum? Is possible. Okay, here in the first rule I have to find out n first. See here in the first example they are given how many terms are there. Okay, we can easily substitute after substituting the value of n, you will get the sum, okay, of 20 terms. In second case, what it is, here they are not given the number of terms present in the AP. We have to find out number of terms. You know how to find the number of terms? Okay, by general form, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of an. 99 equals to a 3 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1, d is 3. 99 equals to 3 plus 3n minus 3 cancels. What remains? 99 equals to 3n. Then n equals to 33. Okay, how many numbers are there? 33 numbers are there in this AP. Just after getting n, just substitute, replace n by 33. You will get by this formula sum. Okay, or directly, or sir I don't want this method, is a lengthy method. Okay, some they feel like, sir is a lengthy method, first we have to find out n value, then we have to find out this also, remember, is very difficult for us, sir. Okay, some they feel like that, but one more formula is there, Sn equals to n by 2. Here also you will get the sum only of 3 to 99. Okay, Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Here an is there, na? You take the help of an, is one more formula, you will get the sum also here. Yes, n equals to n by, okay, after finding n, okay, here you got the value of n. In this AP, how many are there? You got 33. This is one more formula. If they are given an, you can use this formula, or you apply this formula also. If an is there, means you use this formula. An is not there, means use this one. Here in this AP, an is there. Okay. Yes, 33 equals to 33 by 2 into a is how much? 3 plus an is 99. Okay, 33 divided by 2 into, this is how much? 102. 2 ones are 2 5s are 1. 33 into 51. You only find out the answer. Okay. So exercise, we'll start exercise 5.3. First main, finding the sum of AP. The first one, they are given 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. A value is there, D value, you find out how many terms are there in the AP. 10 terms are there. You just substitute the values in this formula. You will get the sum of 10 terms. After one more, second one also you find out. Okay, A value is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. Up to how many terms are there? 12 terms are there in the AP. You just substitute the value of all the values in a formula. Okay, you will get the sum of 12 terms. Okay, I'll solve third one. That is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on up to 11 terms. Here A value is 1 by 15, n value is 1 by 11, n how many are there? Terms, 11 terms are there. D, here D value is T2 minus T1 only, that is 1 by T2 is 1 by 12 and T1 is 1 by 15. By taking LCM, you will get the value of D here. Okay, 12 5s are 60, LCM is 60. Okay, 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. Then 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 by 60 is the D value. And all the values of third one, you just substitute in the formula Sn. Okay, just substituting the values of A, D and N. S11 equals to 11 by 2 into square bracket. A value is how much? 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into D value is 1 by 60. S11 equals to 11 by 2 into 2A. There you observe 2A. 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15. Plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60. 10 by 60. Then 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. 0, 0 cancels there. And in square bracket, you take LCM. LCM of 15 and 6 is how much? Okay, we got the LCM as 30. 11 by 2 into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5 divided by 30. That is 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Cancel there. 9 3 3s are 3 10s are. That is 11 3s are 33 divided by 20 is the sum of 11 terms of the AP. The sum of 11 terms of the AP is equals to 33 by 20 is the answer. Okay, one more next problem. Here they are given the AP 34 as 34, 32, 30, so on up to 10. Last term 10. Okay, they are given AN here. Okay, we'll find out. First we have to find. If you want to find the sum means n terms are not there. How many numbers are not there? First we have to find out n here. A equals to how much? 34 and D equals to how much? T2 minus T1. 32 minus of 34 equals to minus 2. D equals to minus 2. This AP is decreased. Then you will get D value in negative. Then AN equals to how much? 10. You substitute all the values in AN. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. We are finding the value of n now. They are given AN, D value and A value. Just you substitute in general form. AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. You will get the values of n. How many terms are there in the AP? You will come to know after you just substitute in the SN formula. AN equals to how much? 10. This is 34 plus n, we don't know how many terms are there. D equals to minus 2. 10 equals to 34 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. This is 36. 36 you take this side becomes 10 minus 36 equals to minus 2n. Okay, this is minus 26 equals to minus 2n. Minus minus cancels. N equals to 26 by 2 equals to n value we got as a 13. N equals to how much? 13. 13 numbers are there in the AP. Okay. Now you find out S13. Okay. Equals to, we have to find out. Now we got how many terms are there. You find out sum of 13 terms in the AP. Okay. Okay. Here is one more problem. Third main, 5.3, third main. In first one they are given A value and a D value and AN value. AN equals to 50. And we have to find out N and SN. Okay. See there, they are not given N value. We are finding the value of N by the general formula. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. N equals to 50. Equals to A equals to 5 and n minus 1, n equals to as it is minus 1 into D is 3. They are given the value of D there. And how much we got the value of n? N equals to 16. Just go through the problem once again. See there. N, how you got the value of n? In this AP, they are not given AP. They are given the values A, D and AN. We have to find out N and SN. Okay, n equals to 16 we got there. Now s 16 we have to find out. S 16 equals to n by 2. This formula we have to use. An is there, okay? We can use directly this method. (55 into 8 is 440. Yes, 60 equals to 440. Again, you just go through the problem. First, we are calculated the value of n. Then we are substituted the value n in Sn. Okay. Why we applied the n by 2 into a plus an means they are given the value of an. Okay. If an is a means you use this formula. If an they are given means use this formula. Hello, we'll continue with this problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Just we have to find out the sum of 22 terms. Okay. Of an AP in which D value is there. D equals to 7. And 22nd term is 149. T22 they are given. And N equals to 22. Okay. Here A value is not there. If you want to find the sum means we need a value also, right? We have to find out a first with the help of an equals to, or you can use T22 term also. How to write this? T22 equals to 149 is there. T22 equals to a plus 21D equals to 149. Just substitute the D value. A plus 21 into 7, that is equals to 149. T22 is 149. 21 into 7 is 147. Then A equals to, you take constant to the other side, 149 minus 147. Then A equals to 2. Now we got the value of A. Then Sn equals to n by 2 into just substitute the n a. Okay, already we know the value of n equals to 22 by 2, then into 2 plus 149. Where we got this 149? 22nd term is 149. An value is there. Okay, you find out. Okay, multiply this 11 into 151. You will get the value of S22. S22 is 1661. Okay, one more problem, same type. Here is a word problem. It's a very silly question. Very silly question. What they are given? Find the sum of. Here also we have to find out the sum only. Find the sum of first 40 terms. What it is? N equals to. I have to find the sum of 40 numbers. Okay. Sum of 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Okay. To take the multiples of 6. Okay. Divisible by 6 means multiples of 6 only. And you write the AP. Okay. A equals to how much? A equals to 6. And next term 12. Next third term 18. So on up to 40 terms. A is there, D is there, A equals to 6, D equals to 6, N equals to 40. Just substitute in this formula, you will get the answer. So solve this one and send. Lastly, we discussed today how to find out the sum of all the terms in the AP. Okay, by Sn formula. If n is not there, you have to find out the n by general form. Okay, you take the value of n, then substitute in the Sn. If n is not if an is there, means use one more identity, that is Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an is there means. Okay, and lastly, uh, I'll wind up this session. You please practice all the problems, same problems you write in your fair book. Okay, where you writing, continue with there only. You please practice some more problems. You go to your textbook, refer your textbook, solve same related problems. Any doubt, you just, okay, question you send, I'll try to give the answer. Thank you.